I'm going real fast. Now we're going faster on his motorcycle. Going on the sidewalk. Going on this, the Great Walls of Awesomeness. Now we're going on Lava River number 2. Shoot, am I gonna make it? Shoot, I'm scared. Oh! Mike's residential window cleaning. Oh, did it sound like egret there? It's called. Oh no! Look at the tree there. Oh man, this community is awesome. Really beautiful too. You know, this is called Ibis. We lived in the neighborhood Isla Vista. Put your hands in the air. Woo, 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 woo. I know. The awesome lamppost. Oh, look, there's a bird right there. I don't know if I caught it on video, but who cares? I'm going around town. Oh no, we can't go there. Okay. Ow! Making a video. Yep. Oh shoot. Oh blob. Oh my glob. Glob it. Glob it. Oh glob it. Glob it. Oh! And we're safely across.